Pi network has recently made significant strides, including the launch of its OpenMAID and the introduction of new features aimed at enhancing user experience and expanding its ecosystem. OpenMAID launch. On February 20, 2025, Pi network transitioned to the Open Network phase of its MAID, marking a pivotal milestone in its development. This transition enables external wallet transfers, exchange listings, and real-world applications, allowing users referred to as pioneers to utilize Pi coins beyond the confines of the Pi network ecosystem. New features and updates. In March 2025, Pi network introduced several updates to enhance user engagement and security. 1. Pi domain auction, aimed at expanding the Pi ecosystem. The Pi domain auction allows community apps that have complied with ecosystem listing guidelines and completed PiNet migration by May 28, 2025, to secure their domains without bidding, subject to certain requirements and restrictions. 2. Two-factor authentication, 2FA, to bolster account security. Pi network released a 2FA feature on March 13, 2025. This feature enhances the security of the Pi migration wallet, ensuring that pioneers' accounts are better protected against unauthorized access. Market performance and exchange listings. Despite these advancements, the market performance of Pi coin has experienced volatility. Following the main launch, Pi coin's price initially rated above $1 but has since seen fluctuations, with recent reports indicating a dip below this threshold. Analysts attribute this to factors such as recent token unlocks and the absence of listings on major exchanges like Binance and Coinbase. Concerns over transparency in Pi network's token locking and burning mechanisms have been cited as reasons for the delay in such listings. Community and ecosystem growth. The Pi network community continues to grow, with over 19 million identity-verified pioneers and more than 10 million MAID migrations completed. The network aims to foster a utilities-driven ecosystem, encouraging the development of decentralized applications, dApps, and real-world use cases for PiCoin. As Pi network progresses, users and investors are advised to stay informed about ongoing developments, potential exchange listings, and market dynamics that may influence the value and utility of Bitcoin. Pi network is part of the growing category of mobile-based mining cryptocurrencies, aiming to make crypto accessible to a broader audience. However, it faces competition from several projects with similar goals. Let's compare Pi network with its main competitors and analyze which might be better depending on different factors. Top competitors of Pi network. B network. Description: similar to Pi network, B network allows users to mine coins through a mobile app without heavy computational power. Pros: easy to use, referral-based mining system. Cons: still in early development, lacks a clear roadmap for exchange listings. Time snope. Description: users mine time tokens by checking in daily via the app. Pros: unique concept of time-based mining. Cons: low adoption, unclear future value. Eagle network. Description: another mobile mining app with staking and an upcoming blockchain. Pros: staking mechanism, active community. Cons: limited real-world adoption. Stellar, XLM. Description: a blockchain-based payment system focused on fast and cheap transactions. Pros: already established, widely adopted. Cons: not a mobile mining project, but has more real-world use cases than Pi. Electronam, ETN. Description: a mobile-first cryptocurrency focused on financial inclusion. Pros: listed on exchanges, has real-world adoption in payments. Cons: mining rewards are lower than Pi's estimated potential. Who is better? For accessibility growth potential, Pi network. Strong community, over 45 million users, mobile-first approach, and upcoming OpenMAID make Pi a leader in the space. For immediate exchange trading, Electronam, ETN, Stellar, XLM. These cryptos are already on exchanges and can be traded or used for payments. For innovation, unique model, TimeSnope, a fresh take on mining, but lacks adoption. For short-term gains, none, including Pi, are guaranteed profitable. Pi Network is still unlisted, and many mobile mining projects have uncertain value. Conclusion: Pi Network has the strongest community and potential due to its upcoming open mainnet and partnerships. However, since Pi is not yet officially listed on major exchanges, cryptos like Stellar and Electronatum are more useful in the short term. The best choice depends on whether you want future potential, Pi, or immediate usability. XLM/ETN. As of March 25, 2025, Pi Network has made significant strides toward its open network launch, with several key updates. A Coinpedia Fantasia News. Open network launch scheduled for Q1 2025. The Pi Network founders have announced that the open network is set to launch in the first quarter of 2025. This decision aims to allow more pioneers to complete their Know Your Customer (KYC) verification and migrate to the mainnet, enhancing network inclusivity and stability. Currently, over 18 million users have completed KYC, with 8 million successfully migrated to the mainnet. Pi Node version 0.5.0 released in preparation for the mainnet transition. Pi Network released Node version 0.5.0 approximately 5 months ago. This update transitions nodes to the testnet 2 blockchain, closely replicating mainnet conditions, and ensures a smoother shift to the mainnet upon the open network launch. Enhanced Pi browser interface. The Pi browser has undergone a user interface overhaul to improve user experience, security, and app shareability. This update encourages developers to create applications within the Pi ecosystem, offering access to Pi Network's 47+ million engaged pioneers. Developer migration deadline extended. Pi Network has extended the deadline for developers to complete the PiNet migration and secure their app domains without participating in auctions to May 28, 2025. This extension aims to support developers in aligning their applications with the network's ecosystem guidelines. Bitcoin price movements. Despite these advancements, Bitcoin's price has experienced fluctuations, currently trading below $1. Recent token unlocks have contributed to selling pressure, though some analysts remain optimistic about a potential rally to $2. These developments reflect Pi Network's commitment to building a robust and inclusive blockchain ecosystem as it approaches the open network phase.